binomial. So, dito, meron tayong dalawang formula na dapat sundin kapag ang given po natin ay positive. Therefore, this one is the formula for positive po ang given natin. And if the given is negative naman po, ito po yung gagamitin natin. Which po, if we break down po the a plus b and squared, we have a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Same as well po dito sa ating negative naman po, we have a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So like for example, meron akong given na ganito. Okay, so all you need to do, let us first categorize po ano po ba ang first term at ang second term natin. Ito po yung magiging a natin, yung ating 2x or ating pong first term is our a, and the second term po is we have na negative 4, ito po yung b natin. So from the formula po, dahil po ito ay negative, therefore we will follow the formula of a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Okay? Just simply substitute lang po dahil po ang given natin sa ai is equal to 2x. So ang b natin is equal to negative 4. Therefore, papalitan mo lang yung a mo ng 2x, then squared, kasi from the formula. Same here po, substitute lang po, bring down negative 2. And then negative 2 is a fixed po, fixed value na po or fixed formula na po natin to kasi we're talking about the square of binomial nga po, no? And then yung a uli, we have 2x at yung b natin ay negative 4. And then for the last one, last term po, plus yung ating b uli na negative 4, then squared. So just always remember, kapag nag-squared ka sa first term, dapat sa last term naka-squared din po siya. Next, dahil po ito ay squared, therefore, multiply itself po, no? Ibig sabihin, 2x times 2x po yan. So therefore, 2x times 2x, we have 4x squared. I-multiply lang po natin yung constant natin, then add lang po yung variable natin na imaginary 1 na yan, 1 plus 1 magiging 2. So therefore, we have 4x squared. Next, and then dito po, multiply natin each po yung ating pong pinaka-middle term na multiply yun po yung negative 2 times 4, no? Times 2x, which is po magiging negative 4x. And then yung negative 4 dito, bring down nyo lang muna para hindi tayo sabay-sabay, para yung steps po ay nakaprocess, no? And then, yung negative 4 dito, therefore, ibig sabihin po kasi yan dahil naka-squared ay negative 4 times negative 4. Which is po sa ating pong rule, kapag same ng sign, ang sagot po ay magiging positive, di ba po? And then 4 times 4 po, magiging positive 16. So therefore po, magiging plus 16 po yung last term natin. So now, dahil meron po tayong natirang multiply sa loob, so all you need to do po, just simply multiply po, no? And then bring down muna yung ating 4x squared. Then negative 4 times negative 4 ulit. They are both negative sign. And then magiging positive. And then 4 times 4, 16. And then yung x po na to, just simply copy lang. And then yung last term, bring down lang din po, kagaya ng ginawa natin doon sa first term. So this one is our final answer.